Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add a comment in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add a comment in Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open the document. Here I am going to add some comments here. Just select the content and here you will find a plus icon called add comment. Just click on it. Now I am adding the comment. Now click on comment. Look, the comment is added. Now I am going to show you another way to add comment. Just select the content and then you will find here the add comment icon. Just click on add comment. Now click on comment, and the comment is added. Now I'm going to show you another way. Select the content and click on insert, scroll down and you will find here comment. Click on comment. Now comment dialog box is opened. Now I'm going to try. Now click on comment. The comment is added. Now I'm going to show you the another way. Select the content and now from your keyboard press Ctrl Alt and M. Ctrl Alt and M. Look, the comment box has been opened. Now type the comment and click on comment. Look, the comments are added. I have shown you 4 different ways to add comment in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.